Welcome to Section 31, Debugging Fundamentals. As a developer, writing code is only half the battle. Fixing errors is the other half. In this section, we will learn how to find and fix bugs efficiently. 1. The scenario. Imagine we are building a simple shopping cart application. We have a list of products, each with a name and a price. Our goal is to calculate the total cost of all items in the cart. Take a look at this code. We initialize total_price to 0, loop through the products, and attempt to add each price to the total. 2. The unexpected result. Let's run the script. We expect the total to be 50 plus 100 plus 400, which equals 550. However, the output is 400. The script did not crash, and there are no syntax errors, but the result is clearly wrong. This is what we call a logical error. In a small script like this, you might spot the issue immediately, but in a large application, finding such bugs can be very difficult. To summarize, we have a buggy script that needs fixing. Instead of guessing, we should use a professional tool to inspect the code while it runs. Our next lecture 31.02, Debugging in VS Code. See you there. Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we discovered a logical error in our shopping cart script. The total was wrong, but we didn't know exactly why. Now, we will use the debugger in VS Code to pause the program and inspect it while it runs. 1. Setting a breakpoint. A breakpoint tells the computer to pause execution at a specific line. To set one in VS Code, hover your mouse over the gutter to the left of the line number and click the red dot. Let us place 1 inside our loop. 2. Starting the debugger. We select the Run and Debug tab and click on Run and Debug. The program will start, but it will freeze exactly at our breakpoint. This allows us to see the state of our application at that exact moment. 3. Stepping and inspecting. On the left side, look at the variables pane. We can see total_price is currently 0. Now use the Step Over button to execute this line. The variable updates to 50. Let's loop again. Step over. We are back at the line. Now watch closely. When we execute this line again, total_price becomes 100. It did not add 100 to 50. It simply replaced 50 with 100. We found the bug. We are using the assignment operator equals instead of plus equals. To summarize, by stepping through the code, we saw exactly where the logic failed. This is a fundamental skill for any developer. Next, we will move to a new syntax feature called matchcase. Join me in lecture 32.01, Introduction. See you there.